Hello. Today, I am going to show you how this book can make $23,000 per month, and with the help of ChatGPT and Midjourney, I will demonstrate how you can do it too. Firstly, let's take a look at how much money this book generates. We will check its Amazon bestseller rank BSR number. Then, we will use that number on a special calculator that estimates the book's daily sales based on its BSR. This book generates approximately $4 in clean profit from each sale. So, we will multiply that number by 192, which gives us an estimated profit of around $768 per day. Now, let's move on to the main part, which is how we can create a book similar to this with the assistance of ChatGPT and Midjourney. The tools we will require are ChatGPT, Midjourney, and CANVA. The website where we will sell this book is kdp.amazon.com. To gain access to the direct publishing website, you must register on Amazon KDP. After registering on Amazon KDP, you are ready to go. Now, let's choose the niche for which we will write the book. In this instance, we will choose short stories for kids aged 9 to 12 because there is not much competition, and it will be simple for us to create 5 short stories for the book with the assistance of ChatGPT. Let's start creating the book. Firstly, we will create 5 different story titles with the help of ChatGPT. Then, we will ask ChatGPT to expand each title into 500-word stories. While our stories are getting created, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more guides about AI revolution and how we can use them to generate passive income. After that, we will request ChatGPT to create a title for the book and a description with bullet points. The primary part of book creation is already completed. Let's open Canva and start creating a book. Click on Create Design, and select Custom Size. Choose inches and type in 6 to 9 as this is the regular book size that is commonly used on Amazon. For the first page, we will use it for the book's title. Make sure everything is inside that red lines which Canva shows while we hover text to the edge. Don't forget to number each page. Additionally, we will need to write an introduction for our book. You can write it on your own, but since we have ChatGPT with us, we will use it to generate the introduction. Then, we will create a page for our content which includes our 5 stories. After that, we will write all 5 stories in the book. Then we will ask ChatGPT to create an ending for the book, and that's it. Of course, you can add more stories and pictures to make the book more engaging, but for the sake of expediency, we won't do that right now. You can write the conclusions for this book at the end and even add some coloring pages or notebook pages. Once we're done, we can download the book in PDF format. The only thing left is the cover of the book. Let's create a cover for this book. First, we need to determine the size of our cover. To do this, we can use a cover size calculator. Follow the same steps and input the number of pages in your book. This book is just an example to show you how it works, which is why it only has 28 pages. However, if you plan on writing more, it is recommended to aim for a page count of 50 or more. Once we know the size, we can create a new design with the same dimensions on CANVA. To make the cover eye-catching, we will use the Midjourney AI picture creator. We should include the title, description, and author's name on the cover. For this example, we will use a random writer's name. After designing the cover, download it in PDF format, and we are good to go. Our cover is now ready to be uploaded. Now the only thing left is to upload our book and cover to the Amazon KDP marketplace. I know you have some questions about how KDP works, but let me answer them directly. The only thing required from you is to upload your book on the KDP website, and if someone purchases your book, Amazon prints and ships it for you, meaning you have nothing to worry about regarding prints and shipping. It's a fully automated system. Now, Go to the KDP main page and click Create. Choose the paperback option and write the book title that ChatGPT gave us. You can also include a subtitle. Skip the other options and do the ones I'm doing. For the author, I'll include a random person, but you can use your own name. Write the description that ChatGPT gave us. Before using keywords, do some research, but the easiest way is to look at competitors and take keywords from their titles. Choose categories. Then choose the options that I chose, black and white interior because it's the cheapest to print in the size we already mentioned and created, 6 by 9 inches. Upload the book that we downloaded from CANVA and also upload the cover that we downloaded from CANVA. Click Assign me a free KDP ISBN on top to give you an ISBN code for your book, which is free. Launch the previewer and take a look inside your book to check if there are any mistakes in page sizes. As we can see, it's perfect, and the only thing left now is to set pricing. For us, it costs around $2 to print this book, and we can sell it for $8.99, receiving over $3 royalty from each sale. You can also request proof and ship your book to your house to check the quality in real life. Now you can click Publish and wait for 1 to 2 days until Amazon approves it. There is nothing to worry about since Amazon approves all books that are made this way. We have completed our work, and now it's up to you to make this business profitable. You can easily write 2 books per day, and trust me, with about 100 books, you can earn a substantial passive income. Moreover, if one of your books becomes a bestseller, it could change your life. I won't even mention how much money you can make if several of them become bestsellers. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. We can also teach you how to use tools like Midjourney to generate better cover pictures or create special characters for your stories. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to write longer stories. There are many ways to work with this business, and even if it becomes saturated, many people will give up at the start. But if you persist and create a substantial number of books, you can achieve something significant. Thank you, and until our next video, stay tuned. Trust me, the second method we will show you will be even better. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it.